right, hi everyone, welcome to Simply Grace Lifestyle. So in this video today I have a foodie grocery haul from Walmart and yep. So let's get started, guys. Okay, now I only went to grab a couple of things. Okay, I did not do a full grocery shopping today, so I'm gonna start going to Sam's Club for the dog's food because this is crazy. I think this is like $20 for 12 cans, and I think paying $50 for the big case over at Sam's Club lasts me 2.5 weeks versus this only lasts me a week. So even if you double the price, it's still $24. I would rather pay and have the cans last me a month. So that's what we're looking at right now. So this is the Pedigree, the 12 cans, and this was about $20. I think the receipt isn't buried in one of these bags, so I'll get to it. All right, so it has been a long day. Guys, I am doing this video on Friday and I have to be back at school in the morning to work with my team. And so I only picked up a few things. I think I can make my groceries last for a week because I have some stuff still in there. All right, so we decided to get a package of these wings. Matthew's been wanting wings. And honestly, I missed the wings too. So this big package here was $14.01. So I'm gonna make those wings today. And I decided, I'm just so tired. I just decided I bought the wedges, the deli style wedges, seasoned potatoes. So that's what we're gonna have with the wings. Then I have, Matthew just walked by. Okay, then I have, I got a big container of the ricotta cheese. You know, we've been loving ricotta cheese lately. I got to try to see if I can find some recipes. Yes, you heard me right. Find some recipes with ricotta cheese because we love ricotta cheese. I was thinking cheesecake, right? A low carb cheesecake, right, Matt?
No.
Did you know that the donuts were recalled? Something about the flour? I asked the lady, do you have any donuts? Because I need to bring some. I need to bring some donuts to school tomorrow. Stop, Matt. So I need to bring some donuts to school tomorrow. And because after they get done practicing for their missions trip, they're going to have a potluck tomorrow. And I'm going to be with my team up in the mezzanine area of the school. And yes, that's Nina coughing in the background. You notice that she's always coughing whenever I'm filming. It's like she knows. She's standing by the water bowl, drinking water. And I don't even think she's drinking out of Nala's water. And it's just, I don't know. Matthew, you brought the donuts in. I knew you were going to do that. I told him, leave it in the car. Oh, man. So the regular donuts, glazed donuts, I'm not sure what's going on with that, or the ones they make there, they're recalled. The flour that's being used for those donuts is recalled. I couldn't figure that out. I guess they order these. So this is going right back in the bag. I'm just showing you. So there were no donuts anywhere. And they're having a potluck anyway. I don't really think they're going to be eating all these donuts, but I got chocolate and the powder ones. I got 2 powder ones, so I'm just going to grab one of these so my team can have just some coffee and donut. We'll probably wind up going over to where they're having the potluck, and I'll probably make something in the morning to take. So this goes back in the car. I told him make sure don't bring in the donuts, but he brought them in. Oh man. So yes, this has been a very, very busy time for me, and I am just blessed to be able to upload videos and just continue with my uploading the videos to 3 channels, no less, while I am getting through this year. I am so happy about it. I'm very proud of it, and I can't wait till it's finished. Okay, so I did not see the receipt, Matthew, but so they had the Italian bread. It's still nice and soft. I don't know why they reduced it to 27 cents. I freeze my bread. So if you buy bread, multiple packages of bread, I have an area in the freezer just designated for the Italian bread because the dogs like bread, I like bread, Matthew likes bread, and I'm not supposed to be having bread, but if I have to have a piece or whatever, I take the Italian bread out. This is good for a quick meal. So let me just give you a quick tip. You probably already know this because you guys are better cooks than I am, but if I wanted to have a chicken parm, if I wanted to have a cold cut sandwich, if I wanted to make something, just cook some kind of meat and just put it in here. Just toast the bread or make garlic bread or whatever it is, and there is dinner, and it's quick. And for the schedule that we have, this is a godsend. And I don't have to make it, and it's 27 cents. Matthew said, why didn't you get more? I don't think I would have had room in the freezer for more, but here is the receipt. This is the first time I have only spent, I think it's $66.19. I couldn't believe it. I almost fell on the floor. My bills are never that low, and I always munch on my peanuts. So for those of you who watch my videos, you know I love my chips, which I have to get away from, and I munch on my peanuts. Also, they should be able to fill you up until your meal, and we should be snacking less. We should be doing most of our eating within a window there and snacking less, because every time you eat, you know, your sugar does spike. But I'm not telling you, I'm saying for me. But anyway, smoked ham, the 2-pound, this will last us a whole week, okay? And anything extra, because I buy it weekly, goes to, I just let the dogs try some. And so with the ricotta cheese, okay, with the ricotta cheese, I also got a bag of mozzarella cheese, because sometimes I like making quick little lasagnas. I actually started making lasagna stovetop, so that's going to be an interesting video that I'm going to show you what I do. I'm sure there's recipes on it for the one-pot meal, and it's just so delicious, especially with all the melted cheese. So now that I said what I was cooking, I am going to show you on Sunday. Actually, this video will go on after I make the recipe, so I don't feel so bad now. Yes. Okay. So I'm gonna be doing the one-pot meal. I did it yesterday, and it was yummy. So this is all I got, guys. This is my foodie haul. So I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Kind of every day is a blessing from the Lord, guys. So thank you so much for watching my videos, for supporting my channel, hanging in there. Okay, just got a couple of more months to go, and I will be on a short break before starting up my internship. So with that being said, I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. You have an amazing day, and God bless you. Amen.